Once you open the box of the accessories of the NVR, you will see the following items. You will see a 12-volt power adapter with a power cable, a network video recorder, quick guide manual on how to operate the NVR, a CD that includes a software such as Config Tool and Smart PSS, a remote control to operate the NVR, a mouse, a network cable to connect the NVR to the network, SATA cables that connect from the hard drive to the motherboard, a power cable that provides power to the hard drives from the motherboard, screws that can screw on the hard drives to the case of the NVR, and a mouse. On the front of the NVR, you will see some control buttons that can operate the different functions of the NVR. Here you will also see a USB port to connect either a USB drive for backup or also a mouse. You will also see indicator lights here that shows the indicator status of the different channels, hard drive status, and also the network status. Here you have your basic buttons to do the fast forward, play, rewind of the NVR, and also you can adjust the settings through the arrow buttons here, as you can see, enter into different menus, and also to do a manual record. And you also have a power button here. On the back of the NVR, you will see the following connectors. You will see a power switch for on and off. You will see a DC 12-volt power adapter connector that supplies power to the NVR. You will see an HDMI connector for a high-definition HDMI monitor. You will see a VGA connector for PC monitor for VGA resolution, and you will see alarm inputs. Here you also see an audio in and an audio out, RCA female for both a microphone and audio out for two-way talking. You will also see another USB port here for an additional mouse, and you will also see an RJ45 jack port for connecting a network cable to the NVR that goes to the network. Since this NVR is non-PoE, which means there's no PoE switches in the back, that means that the cameras would have to be connected to a PoE switch that's in the same network as the NVR. Additional features of the NVR includes compression of H.265. Also, it includes IVS features such as tripwire, intrusion, abandoned missing object, scene change, face detection, smart add, and P2P, which is allowing the NVR to be added to the network without having to do port forwarding by scanning a QR code. Thanks for watching.